Venden Furniture is wood furniture manufacturer specializing in chair production.
The reason of success at our company has been the focus on things. Currently we are producing solid wood chairs at our factory, which is one of the most difficult items in furniture production. Each of the chairs consists of 15 to 20 different details. Each of these details has around 15 different operations on the machines. Once we put the chair together, we have to be sure that it is stable enough, that it is comfortable enough, and that it looks nice and has good design. Currently we sell around 90% of the chairs to export market. Mainly our customers come from Scandinavian countries, however our chairs can be found also in shops in Switzerland, Germany and France. We are looking for cooperation with wholesalers and retail chains. Mainly we work with customer design, however we can also offer our own designer ideas. We are glad to be in Vidzeme region because of two things. Firstly, it is the forest resources. Birch that grows in Vidzeme region is one of the best for furniture production. And secondly, it is human resources. Workers that we have in the factory know how to work with the wood. They are skilled in their profession.